What do you want to achieve in life? What is your dream? How bold is your mind when it wanders freely from the layers of your subconscious, wondering about that dream, that vision of you that makes you unique, that gives meaning and purpose to your existence in the world? How bold is that vision of you? Einstein believed logic would take you from step A to step B, but imagination would take you everywhere. So where does your imagination take you? Your imagination sets your dreams free, and your dreams ignite that burning desire to pursue your goals. Your goals are steps to take you from where you are now to where you want to be, from who you are now to who you want to become. One of the longest journeys a person can travel in life is moving from I'd like to be to I am. And the gap between these two moments in time is filled by your potential, that ever-growing energy, that never-ending drive that makes your skills expand your talents to levels you have never experienced before.
I chose to participate in the CSS because I believed it brought and taught me skills that will be really useful for my life in the future.
It was a different challenge, which my parents gave me the option to try.
I chose CSS because it's a thing that you can improve your skills.
I thought that program was going to increase my motivation in terms of academic and personal life.
Before, I was always looking for ways to improve my performance, and I'd since seen that, as well as the physical aspects of swimming, it's all about the mindset of a swimmer. And as soon as I heard about this program, I was so excited. I knew, oh, this is going to be my next thing. This is really going to help me. We can do this. It's going to help me a lot.
I wouldn't put any single part in the spotlight. I found that all parts were equally fun. The whole experience really made the difference.
The separation of talent and skill is one of the greatest misunderstood concepts for people who are trying to excel, who have dreams. Talent you have naturally, skill you only develop through hours and hours of consistent hard work. If you don't work hard and dedicate yourself to being better every single day, you will never reach your real potential. How do you spend your time? How much of that time is dedicated into building your potential? You are in control of your time, every second, every minute, every hour, the same 24 hours in a day that everyone in this planet has.
I was quite undecided about what I wanted to do in the future. I was able to narrow down my future and my decisions, and I got down to one topic in particular, which is behavioral economics.
The most important skill that I had to acquire was my self-control, because when I don't like something, it doesn't work. I get really aggressive, and that was something that I had to accomplish and be better at.
I would jump from idea to idea and I would never focus on anything in particular. So I decided to use the push from CSS to motivate myself into actually starting a script.
I thought I'd move into another area which I also specifically liked, which was photography. Helps me see the different sides of nature and the beautiful things in life.
I wanted to do something that was harder for me and prove myself that I can do this.
Basically, with those products, helping people's lives to the most of our abilities.
Me and my friends had to cook for 20 people. Leadership was an important skill for me because if I want to be a chef, I had to know how to manage people, manage a team.
Every single lesson was fun because we all shared experiences with one another, and then we discussed those and came up with solutions or an idea of what we could do.
Cooking is very different of being in lessons because lessons you don't have the freedom of choosing what you want. You have to do what they tell you to do. And when you're cooking, you can see something you have in the fridge and you try to do something about it.
How will you make a difference in the world? What does it need that your potential can provide? Discover your talents. Find what you are really passionate about, what makes effort, sweat, and hard work seem like good fun. That is all you need to figure out. What is going to bring you fulfillment and joy? Not just money and achievement, but real enjoyment, a sense of meaning and aliveness. So, think big, dream big, but start now. For what is each day but a series of conflicts between the right way and the easy way? With each step comes the decision to take another. Life is full of challenges, but don't lose heart. While they are not easily defeated for us, they are far from invincible. This is what we believe in. This is for what we prepare. If you believe as Carl Sagan did, that understanding is a kind of ecstasy, if you are hungry for the sublime, then learning more about yourself, deepening your awareness about your mind, your thoughts and emotions will take you there. Strengthening yourself, developing your skills, boosting your potential.
I went forward with thinking that it would help in the future and that it could give me benefits over other people.
When people tell us, well, you're 17 years old, you probably can't achieve this. Proving people wrong and being able to go beyond expectations motivates us to keep going forward.
I realized that I can look at myself differently, see other people differently, and find different ways of dealing with problems.
Dedication is the main thing. Dedication and then obviously passion. There's this one thing that passion gives you, which is just you want to do that so badly and nothing can take it away from you. And that passion I have for swimming just really motivates me to keep going.
When I saw the presentation, I wanted to do it because the idea of pushing your limits and making yourself a better person and more likely to succeed.
As you get older, your results in swimming don't really increase because you're getting stronger or because your technique improves. It's how your mind works. If you're still motivated to swim, if you want to give up. And I think this program has helped me to realize that there's always a point to do something and there's always something that will motivate you to do that.
Power to achieve.
Different.
Learning about ourselves.
And confidential.
Enriching.
Creativity.
Exciting.
You learn a lot of things.
Life-changing.
You are the sailor. You are the boat. You are the compass in this travel through life. You are the question. You are the answer to the question. So you better be having a good time, pursuing your passion to the top of your potential, turning your life into a living and breathing work of art, because anything less would be tragic. So decide now, because destiny waits for no man. It's up to you now.